English vocabulary. To right a wrong. To right a wrong is an idiomatic expression that means to correct or rectify a mistake, injustice, or wrongdoing. To make amends or provide restitution for a past error or harm. Breakdown. This phrase involves acknowledging the mistake, recognizing the wrongdoing or error, taking corrective action, doing something to fix the issue or make amends, restoring justice or balance, returning the situation to a state of fairness or normalcy. Differences. To right a wrong is distinct from to ignore the wrong, disregarding or neglecting to address the mistake or injustice, to perpetuate the wrong, continuing or worsening the mistake or injustice. Example sentences to listen to and practice. 1. The company took steps to right the wrong by apologizing and offering compensation to the affected customers. 2. The politician vowed to right the wrongs of the past administration by implementing new policies. 3. The artist used her platform to right the wrongs of social injustice by raising awareness and advocating for change. 4. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiff, aiming to right the wrong done to them by the defendant's actions. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is trying to correct a mistake, make amends, or restore justice. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.